Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Dee again from Beauty and Delight Studio. I know I look super scary right now. I prepped my skin already. I did my foundation, my concealer. I'm baking under my eyes right now. I am doing a nice date makeup eye look. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Instant Eye Palette, and as promised, I am doing the next look, which is the date look. So keep watching and stay tuned on how to create this look and how you can utilize the colors in the palette. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerize and Rose Gold as a base, and today I'm going to just use my fingers so you can see that. I'm just going to use my fingers, tap a little bit, and I'm going to go in and just apply just as a base. And I'm going to tight line my eyes because I'm making a little bit more of a evening look with this. I'm going to tight line with the Pixie Endless Silk Eye Pencil. I'm gonna take this this brush and just blend that out. At this point, it doesn't have to be neat. You just kind of want a guideline. So let's go in with this shade right here. And I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush like this. And now I'm gonna go in with a smudger brush, and I'm gonna go into that second color right there. Darken this part of my eye. Let's blend that out with the blending brush again, just to soften out the edges. And we're gonna go in with that smudger brush again, and we're gonna use that smoke shade, that one right there. And take your blending brush again and blend. gonna take off the baking now, the powder, because I'm almost finished my eye makeup. I just need to put my lashes on now. So guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you like this look and are able to create it. If you liked the video, leave some comments below to share some love. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!